to Unified Travel and Tours Agency. This is the agency that helps us tourists to travel and explore the beauty of Santa and nature. Next, here is our agency's contact information. First, you can call us into our telephone number. It is 0912-345-6789. Or also you can call us in our hotline number. It is 123-4567. Or also you can email us on our official email address at Unified Travel and Tours Agency at gmail.com. Or also you can visit us in our location. We are located at second floor Gaetano Mall, Jose Laurel Avenue, Poblacion District, Davao City, Philippines. About travel and explore the beauty of synthetic and nature can describe with Unified Travel and Tours Agency. For the staff to the management and the agency is work at once, the staff think outside of the box and come up with innovative ideas that can surely give satisfactory into our clients. The agency itself sets the boundaries and limits so that all our clients will experience the best services and satisfaction that they truly deserve. Our vision. First, to be popular in the local and international tourism market. Second is to be able to introduce and promote our travel agency as the world's leading tourism industry tour operators. Third is to provide the best quality, security, care services, and affordable agency to the people. Fourth is to help protect and sustain the world's natural resources with the ultimate effort. Fifth is to be the number one local international tour operator. And lastly, to be part of the most unforgettable moments into our clients. Our mission. First is to be able to meet the needs and wants of our clients. Of course, to satisfy our clients and to be able to surpass their expectations. Third is to maintain good relationship with the service providers like hotel owners, staff, tour coordinators, drivers, and to the Department of Tourism. Fourth is to respect and value clients' needs above all else to give them the best holiday tour experience. Fifth is to help our clients make their dreams do come true to explore around the world together with us. And lastly, doing our agency's vision with full of encouragement, dignity, integrity, and of course authenticity. So here are some certificates to prove to you that our agency is legit. So the insurance company partner of Unified Travel and Tours Agency is a Reliance Insurance Company. This company helps us to secure our clients. Next, the Unified Travel and Tours Agency tailored a romantic Christmas holiday package. It is 3 days and 2 nights tour package for four Western couples. Our target market are the elite travelers. So inclusion, the round-trip airfare from London Heathrow Airport to Switzerland Zurich Airport, and the flight will be delayed. All the clients can stay on the lounge or will be transferred into another flight. Second, all arrangements for city tour and area visiting. Third, accommodation in any hotel category. The possible accommodations are in 4 to 5 star hotels, resort, housing, and city rooms. All rooms, of course, with private facilities. Fourth, private deluxe air-conditioned motorcoach transportation for all scheduled activities and transfers. Fifth, standard contract meals including breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the clients. Next, tourists are guided with a professional tour guide. The entrance fee for itinerary is included also. Next, all hotel motor coach and meal taxes, airline taxes, and fuel surcharge fee are included. The airfare is subject to change by the airline until taxing. Any increases will be passed on the client. Next, insurance is included for in case of emergency. Next, the first kit will be distributed into the client. If there is unforeseen circumstances, we have a first aid. Next, maps and compass will be distributed into the client for a guide. And lastly, souvenirs will be distributed into the client after the tour. So the inclusions are the shopping fees, personal expenses, loss of personal belongings, and if the clients will choose without airfare. So before we start into introducing the itinerary, I will show first the promotional video for Switzerland. So let's start. So that is the promotional video for Switzerland. Next. So here is the 3 days and 2 nights romantic Christmas tour package itinerary. Day 1. Tourists will going to arrive at Zurich and witness the lovely of Lausanne. At 9:30 a.m., this is the estimated time of departure at London Heathrow Airport. At 12:00, this is the estimated time of arrival at France Frankfurt Airport. At 12:05 p.m. to 1:05 p.m., this is a stop over the duration. Tourists will take their platter French vegetarian dish lunch at Daily Drops restaurant. At 1:05 p.m., this is the estimated time of departure at France Frankfurt Airport. At 1:55 p.m., this is the estimated time of arrival at Switzerland Zurich Airport. At 2:20 p.m., tourists will go to travel to Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. At 2:40 p.m., tourists will going to arrive at Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. Then they will going to check in the room. At 3:10 p.m., tourists will going to travel to Chapel Bridge. At 3:55 p.m., the tourists will going to arrive at Chapel Bridge. They will going to cross the Rios, which is also known as the world's oldest surviving cruise bridge and Luzerne's emblem. They will going to witness the 70th century paintings depicting events from Luther's history. They will going to explore the Glacier Garden. They will also going to a souvenir shop on the ground together with a licensed tour guide and of course a photo walk. At 6:20 p.m., tourists will going to travel to Gorm Enjoy Restaurant. At 6:40 p.m., arrival at Gorm Enjoy Restaurant, tourists will going to take a Father Gourmet dish dinner. They will going to drink a champagne wine and a photo walk. At 7:40 p.m., tourists will going to travel to Luzerne Old Town. At 7:50 p.m., tourists will going to arrive at Luzerne Old Town. They will going to explore around the Luzerne Historic Core. They will going to walk in the streets of Luzerne Town. They will going to explore the Christmas village together with a licensed tour guide and photo walk. At 10 p.m., tourists will going to travel to Arja Zurich Resort Hotel. At 10:42 p.m., tourists will going to arrive at Arja Zurich Resort Hotel. They will going to join the Christmas party countdown and that is hosted by the hotel and of course a photo walk. At 1:00 a.m., the end of the Christmas party countdown. At 1 a.m., tourists are advised to go on their respective rooms and take a rest to store energy for the next adventures tomorrow. So here are the pictures of London Heathrow Airport, the France Frankfurt Airport, the Delibros restaurant, the Platter French vegetarian dish at Delibros restaurant, the Switzerland Zurich Airport, the Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. Next, the view outside of the Aja Zurich Resort Hotel, the standard double room of Aja Zurich Resort Hotel, the Chapel Bridge, the paintings in the Chapel Bridge pathway, the Glacier Garden, the souvenir shop in Chapel Bridge, the Gorm Enjoy Restaurant, the Potter Gourmet Dish Gorm Enjoy Restaurant, the Champagne Wine, the Luzerne Old Town during Christmas season, the Christmas Village, and the venue of the Christmas Santa Party in Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. Next, at day 2, tourists will want to explore the Luzerne and Saint Forest. At 6 a.m., Tourists will go to take a Paris Swiss vegetarian dish breakfast in the restaurant of Aja Zurich Resort Hotel and photo walk. At 7 a.m., tourists will go to travel to Lake Luzerne. At 7:46 a.m., tourists will go to arrive at Lake Luzerne. They will explore the Lake Luzerne together with a licensed tour guide and of course a photo walk. At 9:46 a.m., they will going to travel to Mount Pilatus. At 10:22 a.m., they will going to arrive at Mount Pilatus. Tourists will going to ride the world's steepest cable railway, the Dragon Ride, to surpass the aerial cableway. They were going to witness the majestic view of the Mount Pilatus, explore the place together, of course, with a licensed tour guide and a photo walk. At 1:30 p.m., tourists were going to travel to Tibet Luzerne Restaurant. At 1:45 p.m., arrival at Tibet Luzerne Restaurant, the tourists were going to take a father sweet vegetarian dish lunch and a photo walk. At 2:45 p.m., tourists were going to travel to Masigmon. At 2:50 p.m., arrival at Masigmon, ride a cruise to explore Moose Riverside. Tourists were going to pass into the second medieval Bridgetown River. They were going to see the western corner of the old town together with a licensed tour guide and of course a photo walk. At 5:30 p.m., tourists were going to travel to Luzerne Culture and Congress Sanctuary. At 5:36 p.m., arrival at Luzerne Culture and Congress Sanctuary, tourists were going to witness the Rio Schools jaw-dropping feats of modern architecture. They were going to explore the Luzerne Art Museum together with a licensed tour guide and a photo walk. At 7:30 p.m., tourists were going to take a romantic platter Swiss gourmet dish dinner. They were going to drink Swiss wine. They will be serenaded by a band at World Cafe and of course a photo walk. At 9 p.m., they were going to travel to Luzerne Old Town. At 9:05 p.m., arrival at Luzerne Old Town, tourists were going to explore the Christmas village, the Christmas market. They were going also to witness the dance performance of Santa Claus together with a licensed tour guide, photo walk, and tourists can have a one-hour date. At 12 a.m., tourists will go to travel to Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. At 12:43 a.m., arrival at Aja Zurich Resort Hotel, tourists are advised to prepare their luggage and take a rest to store energy for the next adventure tomorrow and their flight. So here are the pictures of Aja Zurich Resort Hotel restaurant. The Swiss vegetarian platter dish at Aja Zurich Resort Hotel restaurant, Lake Luzerne, Mount Pilatus, Cable Park, the Beth Luzerne restaurant, the platter Swiss vegetarian dish, the Massimo Luzerne, the Rios Riverside, the Luzerne Culture and Congress Sanctuary, the Luzerne Art Museum, the World Cafe. Next, the platter Swiss curry dish at World Cafe, the Swiss classic wine, the band in the World Cafe, the Luzerne Old Town during Christmas season, Christmas Market Village, and the dancers in Santa. So day 3, returning home. At 7 a.m., the tourists will go to take a platter Swiss dish breakfast at Aja Zurich Resort Hotel restaurant. At 8 a.m., they will go to travel to Teddy's souvenir shop. At 8:15 a.m., arrival at Teddy's souvenir shop. Tourists can buy souvenirs and local food together with a licensed tour guide and of course a photo op. At 9:20 a.m. to 12:20 p.m., this is the free time for the tourists to explore the Switzerland. The meet-up place for the tourists and the tour guides is at Teddy's souvenir shop. At 12:30 p.m., tourists and tour guide will go to travel to Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. At 12:45 p.m., arrival at Aja Zurich Resort Hotel. Tourists will get their luggages and check. At 1:10 p.m., travel to Health Restaurant. At 1:35 p.m., tourists will going to arrive at Health Restaurant. They will going to take a buffet Swiss vegetarian dish lunch. They will going to drink Swiss wine and photo walk. At 2:35 p.m., travel to Switzerland Zurich Airport. At 2:50 p.m., arrival at Switzerland Zurich Airport. The tour guide will conduct a Q&A question to address the questions of tourists. He or she will going to disseminate evaluation sheets, flyers, and of course the souvenirs. At 3:15 p.m., the tour guide will formally end the tour. At 3:16 p.m., check in at the Switzerland Zurich Airport. At 4:20 p.m., this is the estimated time of departure at Switzerland Zurich Airport. At 5:10 p.m., this is the estimated time of arrival at London Heathrow Airport. So here are the pictures of Swiss vegetarian platter dish at Asia Zurich Resort Style Restaurant, the Tejas Souvenir Shop, the Health Restaurant, the buffet Swiss vegetarian dish at Health, the Swiss classic wine, the Switzerland Zurich Airport, and of course the London Heathrow Airport. So next, the summary of expenses good for 4 couples or 8 packs. So first, the airfare business class round trip rate. For US dollars, it will cost 2,962.24. For euro, it will cost 2,500.47. Good for 8 packs. Next, good for 1 pack. For US dollar, it will cost 370.28. For euro, it will cost 312.56. Next, the accommodation at Adria Zurich Resort Hotel. For US dollar, it will cost 907. For euro, it will cost 765.61. Good for 8 packs. This is the 4 standard double room. For 1 pack, for US dollar, it will cost 113.375. For euro, it will cost 95.70. Next, for food, the breakfast, lunch, dinner, plus drinks is included. For US dollar, it will cost 1,656.34. For euro, it will cost 1,398.14. 14, good for 8 packs. For 1 pack, for US dollar, it will cost 207.04. For euro, it will cost 174.77. Next, the tour guide. For US dollar, it will cost 517.61. For euro, it will cost 436.93, good for 8 packs. For 1 pack, for US dollar, it will cost 64.70. For euro, it will cost 54.61. Next, the insurance Reliance Surety and Insurance Company Incorporated. For US dollar, it will cost 165.63. For euro, it will cost 139.81, good for 8 packs. For 1 pack, in US dollar, it will cost 20.70. For euro, it will cost 17.47. For car rental, for US dollar, it will cost 946.97. For euro, it will cost 799.35. This is good for 8 packs. For 1 pack, in US dollar, it will cost 118.37. In euro, it will cost 99.55. Next is the entrance fee. For US dollars, it will cost 900. For euro, it will cost 759.70. This is good for 8 packs. For 1 pack, it will cost, for US dollar, it will cost 112.5. For euro, it will cost 94.96. Orders, souvenirs, person gifts, and taxes. For US dollar, it will cost 250. For euro, it will cost 211.03, good for 8 packs. Good for 1 pack for US dollar is 31.25. For euro, it will cost 26.38. So the total. For US dollar, it will cost 1,039.215, good for 1 pack. And our markup is 20%. So our profit will be 207.643 plus the total for 1 pack, 1,039.25 equals for US dollar, it will cost 1,246.858. For euro, it will cost 1,052.49. This is good for 1 pack with round trip airfare. Or in US dollar, it will cost 876.578. For euro, it will cost 739.93. Good for 1 pack without airfare. Next, this is for 4 couples, 8 packs with round trip airfare. For US dollar, it will cost 9,974.846. For euro, it will cost 8,419.92. Or for 4 couples, 8 packs without round trip airfare, it will cost for US dollar 7,012.624. For euro, it will cost 5,919.46. So next, these are our terms and conditions. Please take note that the tour package is available in November 2020 until December 2020 only. No cancellation of booking, not refundable. For the more questions, just contact the agency or email us on social media sites that been stated above. Tips for traveling. Plan your trips ahead of time by organizing your tours. Prepare all the travel requirements ahead of time. For the text, tickets purchase is ASAP. Note that it runs out quickly. So here is the airline ticket. Next, the traveler's details, the name of the passengers, the price details, the total. Next is the accommodation in hotel booking. So good for 2 nights. Next, the fine print. Next is the car rental booking, the price breakdown. This is the van. The important rental information, the policies and reviews. Next, these are the souvenirs, the pictures, the couple t-shirt, the keychain. Thank you, mabuhay at Madaya. That's all.